Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody. We're 2 days away from Christmas.
And we are going to bake a little bit.
Because one of the things we like to do is after our Christmas Eve night dinner, we like to have like little pastries.
Little pastries, turrón, chocolate.
You know, here in Spain the tradition is you have dinner and you wait until Misa del Gallo. How do you say that? You know,
Cooks.
Hence, mass at midnight. So you have a long after dinner. You have a long sitting down, and it's when you have the chocolates, you have the turrón, and you have cookies. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to prepare the cookies for tomorrow.
Yep.
So
they are called sort of financier, which is a French pastry, but they're not. They have been adapted to the family because these have milk, and financiers don't have milk.
So it's like a financier.
Sort of.
Cookies.
Okay, let's go.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Welcome home, everybody. So let's go. Let's prepare our financiers. Prepare our cookies. Okay, let me show you. Christmas tree. Okay, so what are we? Who do we have here today? Well, nobody else but baby Jesus. Well, it's Christmas. So that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have the Jesus, Joseph, Mary, and the angel. And this is what we're gonna be cooking. Again, when guys, when we bake something, we always have to do one before, so we can have that ahead of time. Okay, so it's very easy, as you can see.
Yeah,
Simple.
almost as always, right?
Always. So we have melted butter. We have 2 egg whites. We have milk. We have powdered sugar. We have flour with a little bit of baking powder on it. And you have almond powder. Okay?
Yeah.
And then for decoration, what you need is whatever. We have here pistachios. We have raspberries. We have a little bit of...
Yeah, whatever is, it makes a bit colorful.
Black chocolate, white chocolate, anything to make it a little bit colorful.
Okay, so we're going to use a jug because it's going to make our life easier. First thing you put inside are the whites.
Correct.
Wapa. And you whisk it a little bit. You don't have to make them white or anything. It's just, to loosen them up a little bit. I don't know if this is super convenient, but okay, whatever. Something like that, right?
Mm-hmm. Got it.
And then you put everything. You put the melted butter. You add the milk. You add the sugar powder. This star. Right? Mix it a little bit. Right? And then you add the flour. It's very low. This is like self-raising flour, but although if you have normal flour, just add a bit of baking powder. Always, when you bake something sweet, you add a pinch of salt. Why? Because the salt will make the flavors
pop.
Yeah, pop up, right? Okay, so you mix it, and then you add the almond powder or flour or whatever you want to call it. In fact, what we do is we ground the almonds. We don't buy the powder, so that you are sure it's fresh.
I don't know, in your side of the world. Hi everybody, Merry Christmas to you too. I don't know what's going on the other side of the world, but here almonds are not cheap. But if you buy almond powder,
it's expensive.
It's even more expensive. It's insane. It's the same but grounded. And I know they have to work a little bit on it, but
not so much.
Not that much. So what we do is we just ground it here at home, and that's what we do.
Okay, so you've got your what?
I'm showing them my Christmas thingy. Okay, so what do we do?
Okay, so what I have here, you probably have seen it in other classes, is a mixture of half of sunflower oil and flour. And then you whisk it together, and what I do is I put it, this is a non-stick mold, but even so, what I use this because sometimes it sticks, and once you've worked with your cookies and your baking, you don't want it to stick. You want it to go out beautiful and nice and right.
So yeah, well, meanwhile I was doing that, let me tell you that one of the good things that you can do for Christmas, ooh, what a great Christmas present, could be treat yourself to a trip to Spain and Portugal. Remember that in May. Okay, hold it. You're gonna start putting that on the.
Yeah, but you can tell them about your tour.
Go ahead. Meanwhile.
Okay, so let's see.
Yay!
A little bit.
The bits.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. So.
Meanwhile, she's doing that. One of the things you can do this year, if you're thinking about coming to Europe, I'm gonna be leading an amazing tour from Porto to Santiago. We're gonna be mixing a little bit of religion, not much. This is not gonna be a religious tour. We're gonna do a little bit of hiking, not much. This is not a hiking tour. We're gonna be learning a lot of things about Portugal and Spain, the two in the same peninsula, two countries, two cultures, a lot of differences, things that connects the two countries, food, wine. Yes, okay, it's an amazing tour.
Yeah.
Really, it's gonna be an amazing tour. If you're thinking about it, check my website, travelinthesteps.es. There is where you can find this amazing tour. We have limited spots. I only run it maximum with 15 people, so don't leave it very much behind because we are already selling them. So think about it, and well, let me turn the camera around to our main chef of the day, the wonderful Ainhoa. She has overcooked it. Normally this quantity is for 24 sharp. Well, the molds, as you can see, they are very thin. They're like half an inch deep. Okay, so really they are very small. Okay, so because they're cooked, it is 180 degrees, so it's preheated, which is 350 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Okay, so if and it's gonna take like 10-15 minutes. Okay, until golden. Okay.
Yeah.
So really easy. Okay, and now what we do is we put directly. She's on.
I'm good, but just back.
Okay.
Right. What we do.
So now what we do is we just put the toppings into.
Oh.
Oops.
Oops. I don't want it here.
You?
No, I want it here.
Okay. So we just want to make lines to make it. I don't know. I think it looks much beautiful.
Okay.
Everything.
We are going to use pistachios, but you can use whatever. You can use almonds, you can use pecanas. It looks nice. I mean, the idea of pistachios is the color.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is that this dessert, it's just, you leave them on the table and you eat one, you eat two, you eat 100. That's it. I mean, really, it's about leaving them on the table as an extra sweet little thing. Okay, so we don't like to make things too complicated in our home. So
but I would advise you to bake a lot of this.
Yes, because I mean these ones go like pew, no time they are gone.
Otherwise ask Fran, he's been eating some before. I counted them. I counted them, and they're 20, 24, and
I had to try them.
You have to try them,
Someone
right?
has to do the hard job.
Yeah, you see, you have. Yeah, okay. Next time, don't work so hard.
Thank you so much. Okay, so there they go. Into the oven. 150 Fahrenheit, 180, and about 13 minutes they shall become
this.
What I know is bring it. Take a look at this. Beautiful
little cakes.
Okay, let me look at that. Oh. I just put a little bit of powder, sugar.
What happened to the thing? Right, something happened.
Are you having trouble?
Yeah, okay. I'm having trouble.
So what we do is just put a little bit of icing sugar just to make it Christmas.
Yeah, just to make it beautiful.
Okay, so it's just a matter to make it. It's just Christmas, and Christmas needs a little bit of snow. So that's what.
A bit of snow.
Okay, so
that's it.
Take a look at that beauty.
You can eat now if you want.
Can I eat one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Which one do I want?
Which one do you want?
Okay,
I like this raspberry one.
Oh, I'm gonna have
the chocolate one.
Okay. You do the talking.
So we'll see you next Sunday. Look, we are red. You know, like the little elves.
Okay.
See you next Sunday. Maybe see you now one of our tours. If you bake this, send us a picture. I would love to see it.
Do so. Let us know on the comments how you think this recipe. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas, everybody. I know it's politically incorrect to say Merry Christmas, but we're Catholic, so we're celebrating Christmas. I know we should say Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
But when we have our friends from India, we wish them Happy
Diwali.
To our Jewish friends, we wish them Happy Hanukkah. We're Christian, we're celebrating today the birth of baby Jesus.
So, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. We hope to see you next week. Next week will be a little bit crazy in this house because
we'll see. We'll make something quick.
We'll do something quick. But we're going to be cooking for a lot of people for Christmas, for New Year's Eve. But that will be next week.
Okay, take care.
Adios, amigos. I love you. Bye-bye.